Hi there guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the process we'll take to use the serial number that's located under your text tool. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, just a quick reminder, this is a mini series on the text tool, and I will also leave relevant links in the description so you guys can follow along. Now, like before, we have covered the serial number feature in quite a lot of depth, but we've not run through the actual process of using it. So today's video is going to be just a quick short video, or should I say a speed run, you can say, where I'm basically just running through the process and then of how should I say, and you can see how to actually use the feature. So we're not going to go into too much depth. We're just going to run through it, and then if you're not sure about anything, just pause. You can rewind or go to previous videos and look in depth what does those features mean. Now, I'm not going to be using most of the features or all of the features, should I say, from this the serial number, seeing that some are only relevant to certain situations. So first thing I'm going to do is remove this text, add some new ones, then what you name it, it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to call it serial number process. I'm going to leave that the same, set a scale. Now this might be more relevant before you enable your serial numbers and that. I would say you can maybe use this temporary text over here to scale it. So I'm going to make it about maybe 100. Just see if that's not too small. Obviously this will be rather small on an actual product. Serial not something you want to be popping out at everyone, but just for the demonstration I'm not going to make it too small. So let's go back into the editor. Now I'm going to go enable the variable text so we can set the serial number. It's already under serial NO, serial number. Then we're going to set our values quick. So I'm going to make the prefix. So this, I'm going to keep it all relevant to this tutorial. So I'm going to call this SN for serial number. Then we the suffix, which is going to be afterwards. I will maybe call it PV for process video. Now I would want only about maybe 20 of these. Oh wait, no, rather, what is it? It's nearly 100 of these printed if you count the zeros. So I'm just going to make this 2 digits. I'm going to go 00, and then it's going to, the current one, it's going to be, yeah, also 00 because we haven't started printing yet. Now the serial number increments, I'm going to leave at 1. So it's going to make sure it goes from 1, 2, 3, 4, not maybe 2, 4, 6 or 3, 6, 9, you know. So it's not the even or uneven, it's all of them. So then we can go to extend. If you wanted to print obviously more than one batch, you just repeat it. You can say enable reset, and we set a reset amount, which in our case will be 99. So once it gets to 99, it will reset back to 0. But you can do that, but I'm not going to for this, because if I want to do that, I will enable maybe serial array as well, so you can pop another serial key once it gets to the reset. Going to leave that off. I am however going to disable the enable prefix 0. I know it's a bit confusing saying I'm going to disable the enable prefix 0, but when I disable this, any zeros before my number, it's going to not print. So once it prints it, let's make current 1, it's just going to be 1. So if I open here, you can see here it says serial number 1 process video. And then obviously what you can do after that, you just align this where you want it, scale it, and then, yeah, what do they say? Bob's your uncle. And you take it from there. And now once this thing reaches 99, it's going to reset back to the start. So you can obviously turn your start into start at 1. And then, yeah, that is the process we'll be taking when we use the actual serial number process. Otherwise, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your searching on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.